Now for these questions, we're subtracting mixed numbers. So first, we have 2 and 3/5 minus 1 and 1/5. When we're subtracting a mixed number, first we check to see if we can subtract the fraction from the fraction that we start with. And we can subtract 1/5 from 3/5. Remember, when we subtract fractions, the denominator stays the same and 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2/5 is our fraction. But then we need to look at our whole numbers. We have 2 minus 1, so that's 1 in our answer, which gives us 1 and 2/5. Next, we have 3 and 5/7 minus 2 and 2/7. We check to see if we can subtract the fraction, and 5/7 minus 2/7 is 3/7, because the denominator stays the same, 5 minus 2 is 3. But then we need to subtract the whole numbers. 3 minus 2 is 1, so that gives us 1 and 3/7. We can show what we did using fraction bars. So we started with 2, so 2 wholes, and 3/5. We were subtracting 1 and 1/5, but we subtracted the 1/5 first, then we subtracted the 1 whole. So you can see what's left in blue is 1 whole and then 2/5 of this fraction bar. So that's why our answer was 1 and 2/5. Next, we had 3 and 5/7, so 3 wholes and 5 parts out of 7 of another fraction bar. We subtracted the fraction first, so we can subtract 1, 2 of those sevenths to give us 3/7 of this fraction bar left in blue. And then we subtracted 2 wholes to leave us with just 1 whole. So our answer was 1 and 3/7.